Hello, my name is Eugene Capon, better known as Capon Design. Welcome to my vlog show where I take 3 to 5 minutes of my day to try to bring you some level of value. Today is part 2 of our Twitter video where I try to teach you how to maximize the use of your Twitter account. Let's just jump into it. So in the last video, we took a look at the basics of how to navigate your Twitter account. We went through how to navigate trends, how to set up lists, how to look at analytics, what to look at analytics, and what you get with a verified account. So if you're just starting out and you have a brand new account, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find a banner and you're going to want a profile ID. Now, I'm a big fan of custom making everything. So I might go over to Photoshop and create a document that's 1500 pixels wide by 500 pixels tall. Just hit create, and whatever you fill this in with is going to be your background. I'm a fan of using pixels. You basically just bring in images. And fill them up. Or what you could also do is you can open up a new document that's 400 by 400 for your profile ID. And whatever you bring in is whatever your profile ID is going to be. And the best way to basically tell what that ID is going to look like is just to add a circle, drop it below your image, and create a clipping mask. So this is just to basically tell what the end result might look like. It's whatever is in this circle is what it's going to end up looking. I'm going to release the clipping mask. You're going to want to save it as your ID image, as either a JPEG, a GIF, or a PNG. Do it with the background as well. Banner. And of course, PNG or JPEG or GIF. And when you're back in Twitter, you're just going to hit edit profile, and you can change your header photo or your profile image. You can also change your name. Label where you are. You get one link. You can change your theme color. I have like a purplish or magenta, and you can add a bio. So basically the last thing to go over is how to post. And it's very simple. When you're on your main page, you just go over and hit, hey, what's happening? Drop it down. You can say, whatever is in your mind. A simple text post is just fine, but I'm a big fan of adding GIFs. And if you really want, we actually have a bunch of specific GIFs directly from our show Glitched, or some of the other projects that we have from Studio Capon. You can also upload your own photos or videos. You can also run a poll, or you can add a location. Now, here's the thing. What I like to do is I'll either always use a GIF or an image or a video. And when I'm replying to somebody, I'm almost always using a video if I can. If not, it's usually, it's usually a quick text post, but almost always I use video because people are more likely to respond to your video than anything else. Now, what happens if you want to start posting and you don't have a bunch of followers? Well, that's easy. One, you could start following a bunch of people that have relatable topics to what you do, and you can put yourself in a position where you are suddenly a professional in this industry. Professionals like to stay in touch with each other. Or you can go where there is already a lot of traffic. Say, all right, Chris Farley is trending right now. So these top posts 968 comments, 7.5 thousand retweets, 91,000 likes. This is Stephen Colbert. He's a very big entertainer. You can basically go in, start leaving comments based on whatever they're posting. You can basically go through the top comments, start creating a conversation around whatever is trending, and that will help your account be noticed by other people. And if they like what you're saying, or they agree with what you're saying, or you're making good points, they might start following you. And that's really what it is. You basically go to the different areas on Twitter. You make posts, most likely video or image if you can. Text is just fine if you are in kind of a rush. But the more you post, obviously, the better chance you are of being discovered by other people or being retweeted by other people. And maybe, if you're lucky, you'll have a post go viral. With Twitter, you do have a limit of 280 characters. If your post doesn't have enough room for what you're trying to say, what you could do is get a document, put down all your thoughts, spell check it, reread it, make sure that it reads really, really well, then screen capture it, and then post it as an image. It's one of those better hacks for getting around the 280 character limit. I've definitely done it before, and it works. And that concludes it. That's basically everything that I can possibly teach you about Twitter between this video and the last one. So that's all the time we have for this video. Be sure to give it a like, favorite, follow, do all the different things on whatever social network that you are looking at this video. And designers, I will see you in the next video.